You should clean your mask on a regular basis. Refer to your Mirage FX user guide or online for details on cleaning steps and cycles. Firstly, remove the headgear by unhooking the upper and lower headgear straps from the mask frame. There is no need to undo the Velcro. Remove the combined elbow and air tubing from the mask by pressing the side tabs and pulling away from the mask frame. Remove the elbow from the air tubing. Finally, gently separate the cushion from the mask frame. Clean each component by gently washing in warm water using a mild soap. Pay particular attention to removing facial oils from the cushion. Check that the vent holes are clear. If the vent requires cleaning, use a soft bristle brush. Inspect each component, and if required, repeat washing until visually clean. Rinse all components well and allow to air dry out of direct sunlight.